everybody, how you doing? It's Justine here for the Scrappery. Now I'm doing another layer in my traveller's notebook and I'm using the violet kits. Now I have gone out of my comfort zone, so I'll explain to you what I'm doing here. I got that really cute bird stamp, and you get one of the Tim Holtz distress markers in the colour kit, and I just went over it, as you could see there, and stamped it onto some plain white tissue paper. I did put a piece of paper underneath just to stop it from going through onto my desk, and I just went through and stamped it. I did sort of some second stamping, so I got a bit of a lighter image, and then I wanted to put it down on the back of put it down as a background, I should say, on my page. Now, as you can see here, what I'm doing is if you wet tissue paper with a bit of water and the brush, it just rips apart, and I didn't want to have a really straight cut edge, so I pasted down one side first with some modelling paste and smoothed that a little bit with the brayer there, as I'm doing now, and then I did the other side. It was just a lot easier to do it this way. And yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I had this idea in my head. I wanted to try it. Am I sold on it? The end result I'm really happy with. I'm just going along the edge here with the water just to get rid of the overhang, because it just pulls off, as you can see there. I just wanted to look quite rustic, so that's why I did it that way. And now I'm just using some papers for the background of my photo. These are the Pretty Little Kit, like Project Life size cards, and they're perfect for your traveller's notebook. I wanted to try something different. I've said to myself this year that I want to think a little bit more outside the square and stretch myself a little bit and try different things. So this was that time. So it's a little bit hard, sort of. Obviously, if I thought it was a complete disaster, I wouldn't be here right now talking to you. I am kind of a little bit, did it work? I think it worked. I liked the end result, and I will try this again. I love tissue paper. I love the stamping technique on tissue paper. So I think I will give it another try, and I just think I love birds, so I just thought that bird stamp was so adorable. Had to add some flowers, and also it's not very pink for me. Normally my layouts are quite heavy in the sort of girly colours, and this is more that beautiful. It's a gorgeous sort of, almost like a navy blue violet. So yeah, so I added more of the sort of tangerine orangey flowers than the pinks. I thought they went really well. And I decided to I did choose between doing a black and white photo or using a colour, and I just liked the black and white. I thought it sort of toned down and that. And I'm just showing you here how I do pull off the back of my chipboard to make it nice and flat for the traveller's notebook. And yeah, I was looking at it, I just felt like something was missing. I'm pointing to the green there, and I just felt like I wanted to bring a bit more of that colour out. So out come the trusty paints. And once I put this on, I was really happy with it. I just thought that lifted the whole thing, and I loved the look of the paint over, because it kind of brought out the creases of the tissue paper. And yeah, it's probably a bit more mixed media-ish, but I enjoyed it. I didn't do any writing because I just didn't feel like it needed it. Is that it? It's all over? Really? That went really quick. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about the process or anything like that, please feel free to ask me in the comments. More than happy to help out. And I will see you all for the next one. Excellent. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.